China's state television, which is seen by at least 1 billion people, recently ran a story that could spark renewed trading of cryptocurrency. The broadcast of a set of new rules could bolster Hong Kong's standing as a digital asset hub. Retail investors in Hong Kong may soon be able to buy popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin following the so-called crypto winter. Authorities are signaling a sector pivot that observers hope will cement Hong Kong as a key route for mainland Chinese investors looking to trade crypto, which is currently outlawed in the country.
I think what the Hong Kong government is now saying that everyone needs to ensure that these best practices are properly implemented before you get licensed, which I think is a good thing. Because I think for a lot of investors, especially the retail one, they don't understand the difference between whether a platform is really safekeeping an asset, putting it in a safe place, or they just take the asset and gamble it elsewhere. With this new license, we actually provide our services to retail investors globally, which I think is obviously really helps Hong Kong's position in the longer term, right? To maintain its edge as a premier financial service center in the region.
Without licensed local options, Hong Kong's retail crypto traders are relegated to offshore websites such as Binance and Coinbase, or a raft of brick-and-mortar shops that buy and sell tokens for cash.
We serve the international client base, and I think obviously we will have to respect the local jurisdictions of investors where they're based. I think under PRC law, we're not allowed to serve PRC-based investors, so we don't do that. And I think the same with the U.S. The U.S. I think is a different jurisdiction, so those are I think two jurisdictions that we don't currently serve.
Right.
Ultimately, it's an alternative asset class, and I think we continue to see people, especially large institutions, I think historically have already started that process, right? Shifting sort of asset into this, and I think opening up to retail just allow a larger segment of the investing public to gain access to such alternative assets.
Regulators are hoping to woo firms with favorable business conditions, and officials are hoping the shift will be a boon for the city's economy, which continues to struggle in the wake of the pandemic. Major crypto exchanges like Huobi and OKX, both founded in China, have announced plans to apply for a Hong Kong license. Hong Kong is racing regulators around the world to figure out ground rules for crypto, which despite its crashes still has a global market capitalization of more than $1 trillion. In contrast to evolving attitudes on crypto worldwide, China has maintained a strict ban since 2021. Hong Kong, a Chinese city with financial regulations separate from the mainland, holds special appeal for China's crypto businesses and investors.
Or they just take the asset and gamble it.
Meanwhile, products like stablecoins and crypto derivatives are off limits for retail investors for the time being. The new laws for crypto exchanges starts June 1st. Hong Kong regulators said they hope to move quickly on issuing the first licenses. Reporting for Satluj TV, I'm Layla Gulen.
Go where no one has gone before. Between the sounds of bombs and the whisperings, echoes of truth. Confronting power with courage and lighting the darkest shadows to inform and inspire. Flowing with truth and charting our own path. Satluj Network. Let the truth flow.